Okay Google, set a reminder to film the LG G Watch at 8 o'clock. Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and my first look at the LG G Watch. And when I say a quick look, I mean just that. I've been using the LG G Watch now for 24 hours and I wanted to give you guys my first impressions straight after using it for that length of time. Now the first thing that I want to talk about is the design. The design of the G Watch is extremely nice. Now obviously a lot of people go on about a round watch like the Moto 360 or the other watch made by LG, the G Watch R, but I personally like the square design of the G Watch. It gives it something different as opposed to a normal watch, and just in general I personally think that it looks really nice with the front glass and also the shiny sides and the matte look of the actual body of the watch itself. Now I'm not going to go into too much detail about the dimensions or the weight of the G Watch as I'm going to save that for the full review, but just as a quick reference point, it's ever so slightly thicker than the Google Nexus 5. I'm not necessarily a huge fan of the rubber band that comes as standard with the G Watch, however it is just a standard 22mm watch band, so you can swap it out for one you already have, or there's plenty available on Amazon or just in general anywhere you know that you can get a watch strap. In terms of the screen itself, I've not really had any issues whatsoever. It's great in outdoor visibility and also indoors. I used the watch in full sunlight outdoors and I had no issues viewing the actual screen itself. Now this does depend on the watch face that you use, because obviously if you have a darker watch face then it may be a bit harder to see the actual time, but if you've got something with a lot of colour or just in general something a bit brighter, then it's definitely going to be a bit easier to view the content outdoors. I'm just going to finish this video by briefly explaining my time with the actual watch in terms of what the watch can do. Now obviously the main reason to have a smartwatch, whether it's an Android Wear smartwatch or something by Pebble, is to get notifications from your device onto your wrist. And in my opinion that is the best feature of Android Wear. Getting an email or a text message or even a phone call on your wrist is definitely a great feature. There's some quick replies that you can also use, so you can actually reply to text messages or WhatsApp using the actual watch itself. Now obviously some applications like answering the phone will require you to actually use your phone, but it's great that you can see who's calling you and dismiss a call if you don't necessarily want to speak to that person. I also enjoy the feature with the music. I listen to music quite a lot on my Nexus 5 using headphones, so when I am walking to and from work for instance, it gives me the ability to change song, increase the volume, or just in general put it on the I'm Feeling Lucky playlist, which allows me to kind of shuffle the music that I've got in my Google Play library. I also love the ability to set reminders using the watch and it will sync it to my Google Keep. Now the great thing about this is if you say to set a reminder when you get in for instance, it recognises when you're home using your geolocation and it will send that reminder straight to your wrist with a little vibration, which in my opinion is a great feature to have and has made me remember a couple of things over the last 24 hours that I may have otherwise forgotten. And that's pretty much going to do it for my first 24 hours with the LG G Watch and also Android Wear. I've learned a lot of things about Android Wear over the last 24 hours and in my opinion smartwatches are definitely the future of technology and just in general wearables. Now I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot of videos in regards to the G Watch and also Android Wear with some applications and also some watch faces, so be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see those videos. I'm also going to be working on my full review of the LG G Watch, so again if you want to see that be sure to leave a thumbs up down below. And also if you've got any questions about the G Watch that you want me to feature in the full review, then be sure to leave those in the comments section down below, or you can hit us up on Twitter at Copper vs Glass. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.